This structure in Iraq was dedicated to the moon god, but ancient texts suggest it was a meeting place between humanity and interstellar travelers.
Ancient aliens built the pyramids? Then why does that theory conveniently ignore Mexico's Teotihuacan and Iraq's ziggurats, sites where we physically excavated the human hands, tools, and blueprints that built them? Here's the receipt. Aliens can't explain. Encasement architecture. At sites like Cholula and Teotihuacan, Mesoamerican builders didn't demolish failed structures. They buried them. When a pyramid cracked, sank, or fell out of religious favor, engineers built a completely new, larger shell directly over the old core, like nesting dolls of solid stone and rubble. Cholula's Great Pyramid alone hides at least 4 earlier temples inside it, each one a physical timestamp of trial, error, and correction. Archaeologists have tunneled straight through these layers, mapping centuries of failed foundations, shifted stairways, and redesigned platforms. That's not the work of an infallible, single-visit intelligence. That's generational human labor solving the same problem worse, then better, over hundreds of years. You can see the seams. You can date the plaster. You can trace the exact moment one civilization's engineer said, "We can do this better," and started again. Alien builders don't leave rough drafts. Humans do. And Mesoamerica preserved every single one, layer by layer, error by error, inside the mountain of stone we now call a pyramid. Now the physics. Ziggurats weren't stacked stone monoliths. They were terraced, load-bearing structures built from sun-baked mud brick cores wrapped in fired brick shells, with weep holes engineered into the mass to vent internal moisture so the structure wouldn't swell and crack. That's not a 5-minute alien beam-down job. That's applied material science. Each step terrace redistributes weight downward and outward, letting Mesopotamian builders reach real height without the structure collapsing under its own mass. The same terracing logic Mesoamerican pyramids independently arrived at, oceans apart, with zero contact between civilizations. Monolithic block theories ignore that step. Terraced design is the actual engineering solution to building tall without modern steel or concrete. Convergent evolution in architecture isn't a mystery. It's physics, repeatedly discovered by separate human minds solving the identical gravity problem. So the real mystery isn't who built these pyramids. It's why we keep erasing the humans who did. Every buried temple, every weep hole, every step terrace is proof of generational trial and error, not alien shortcuts. Crediting aliens doesn't honor ancient people. It deletes them. The actual wonder is that we did this ourselves, brick by brick, mistake by mistake, for thousands of years.